Welcome to India, the incredible India, the country of laughter and smiles. When you come to land on any airport in India, you will be greeted with the incredible India, namaskar, which means the good in me bows in front of good in you. And you will have a friendly handshake with the people. And then we will take you to the best part of India called Kashmir. Somebody said, if there is a heaven on the earth, it is here, it is here, it is here. So you are heaven and smiling and laughing. Very good, very good. Yay! Very good, very good. Yay! And in Kashmir, salute you with salam, with left hand on the heart and with the right hand adab. And when you see around, it's breathtaking view because it is all covered with snow, white snow. You will enjoy the white snow. You can pick up the snow and play with it. Then we will take you to the city of beaches and clubs called Goa. Beautiful clear beaches, clear water, and a silky sand. On that sand, when you are walking, you will feel hot. When you feel hot, you start laughing. You're on a hot sand. And you see the beautiful waves of the ocean. Very good, very good. Yay! Very good, very good. Yay! Very good, very good. And we take you to city of Bollywood. We introduce you to our film star Shah Rukh Khan. This is Shah Rukh Khan poster. And we introduce to Salman Khan. And we introduce to our Bollywood dancer Madhuri Dixit. And Deepika Padukone. And we introduce to our star Dr. Madan Kataria. Our own star. And welcome to Delhi, the corruption-free capital of the world. And we take you to India Gate. India Gate. India Gate. And we show you Red Fort, Lal Killa, Diwane Aam. मेहमान खास. And when you get introduced into any hotel in Delhi, they'll put a tilak on your forehead. So we put tilak on the forehead. This means your third eye is now active. When you put this tilak, that means you are activating your third eye and you acquire superpowers. So when you enter this tilak, you are a super person. And when we take you to the next recently constructed, beautiful, marvelous Ram temple. Huge, marvelous temple with very intricate marble work. Appreciate that marble intricacy. And we take you to the golden of golds, golden temple in Amritsar. When you're entering, you'll find beautiful lake. When you take off your shoes, and you cover your head. And then you pray and enjoy the blessings, laughter blessings. And we take you to the seventh wonder of the world called Taj Mahal. Lovely tomb and a nice hall, a symbol of love and beauty. Love. Flying. Symbol of love and beauty. Very good, very good, yeah. Very good, very good, yeah. Very good, very good, yeah. And stunningly beautiful, breathtaking Mysore gardens full of roses. You can enjoy plucking a rose. Smell it always and laugh it. And you can present to the next person. Very good, yeah. Very good, very good. Yeah. And Mysore Garden is known for jumping fountains, musical fountains, lighting fountains. So we jumping fountains. Very good, very good, yeah. Very good, very good. Yeah. And then we take you to God's own city called Kerala. Lush green all around, beautiful. And fishing capital of India. You put a bait and then you take the fish out. Throw a bait in there and then take the fish out. Throw a bait and take the fish out. Very good, very good, yay. Very good, very good, yay. And lastly, we take you to this beautiful Masti Ki Pathshala. My batchmates who are always in a joyful and blissful mood. Masti Ki Pathshala. And we dance with Haste India. दिल खोल के हंस लो यारों के साथ, वरना दिल खुलेगा औजारों के साथ.
आज हंसिए काहे चुप हो ले, अब आज हंसिए आजो हंसिए बहुत चुप हो ले, अब आजो हंसिए, सुबह शामी हंसिए, दोपहर राती हंसिए, सुबह शामी हंसिए, दोपहर राती हंसिए, हंस दे ओ हंस दे इंडिया, हंस दे ओ हंस दे इंडिया, हंस दे ओ हंस दे इंडिया, हंस दे ओ हंस दे इंडिया।
जिसकी मस्ती जिंदा है उसी की हस्ती जिंदा है, वरना यूं समझो वो जबरदस्ती जिंदा है।
दुनिया ये अपनी है, दुनिया के सारे हैं, अपना ये चंदा है, अपने सितारे हैं। नदियों पहाड़ों ने हंसना सिखाया है, काहे को फिर तुझको हंसना न आया है। झूम झूम हंस ले, झूम झूम हंस ले, रंगीन जिंदगी है, झूम झूम हंस ले, हंसना है हंस दे जी, हंस रहे हो हंस ले जी, हंसना यूं ही हंसना यूं ही हंसना यूं ही, आज हंसिए, सुबह शामी हंसिए, दोपहर राती हंसिए, सुबह शामी हंसिए, दोपहर राती हंसिए, हंस दे ओ हंस दे इंडिया, हंस दे ओ हंस दे इंडिया, हंस दे ओ हंस दे इंडिया, हंस दे ओ हंस दे इंडिया।
सो दर्द छुपे हैं सीने में, मगर अलग ही मजा है हंस हंस के जीने में।
जीतों में हारों में, सुलझे विचारों में, दुश्मन के दुश्मन से यारों के यारों में, सुमन सुने जाने बात ये ठानी है, हंसने का फायदा है कोई न हानि है। दिल खोल कर तू हंस ले, मुंह खोल कर तू हंस ले, आप पाले यार जब भी लब बोल कर तू हंस ले, हंसना है हंस दे जी, हंस रहे हो हंस ले जी, हंसना यूं ही हंसना यूं ही हंसना यूं ही, आज हंसिए, सुबह शामी हंसिए, दोपहर राती हंसिए, सुबह शामी हंसिए, दोपहर राती हंसिए, हंस दे ओ हंस दे इंडिया, हंस दे ओ हंस दे इंडिया, हंस दे ओ हंस दे इंडिया, हंस दे ओ हंस दे इंडिया।
हर गम में खुशी का ठिकाना ढूंढो, पल पल में हंसी का बहाना ढूंढो।